you are facing a issue called the mouse pointer is moving fast or so slow, then how to change it, how to change that experience. Simply click on Windows icon if you are using Windows 11, and then find out or search for mouse. Okay, mouse settings. From mouse settings, just simply click here, and from here you will see, you can see the mouse pointer speed, and from here you can speed this down, and then you can see, oh, I am moving faster but my mouse pointer is not. So if I would love to get it a bit faster, then I have to move it on the right, and then you can see without a bit a moment or without any hassle, it is going or moving so faster. So whatever you want, just change it same as you want, no problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are going to the same stage that was before. Thank you again.